I'm Paul with JeepCables, and we're out here at the Tinker Shop. We're going to install a Big 7 kit on Scott's 3.6 liter JL, and he's got a couple alternators here to show you what we're going to be using for as an example. You can find us at JeepCables.com.
So Paul and I are going to go ahead and start doing the Big 7 install on this 2020 3.6 liter. We're going to video as we go and try to get all this on, have it detailed so you can see what we're doing. Again, they all do say where to go, so we're going to try to trace all the factory wires.
And we'll point out some of the major locations where these connections are going to need to be, so that way it helps when you're identifying your own Jeep.
Yep, wherever the connection is, you'll trace it back to the other side of it. They are labeled end for end. It's kind of straightforward.
So one of the questions we get commonly is, where should I mount my fuse? We tell people to mount it in a location that's not going to be subject to any mechanical damage or interference with any other component. So cases that we've seen have mounted it here or here on the support for the cover. As long as it's secure and mounted somewhere where it's not going to come with any contact with anything and possibly short out, that's all we're looking for, is installation security.
So we just got done making all the battery positive connections, all the wires that have the red ends. We're going to start the negative stuff now. A lot of it is still following to what we already did, following the cables, what it says, where it goes. Fender, battery, negative. We're going to follow all those, make a connection, follow it to where it goes, make the second connection.
Exactly, and then we'll demonstrate where some of the connections are, so that way during your installation, that connection should look the same.